Hello, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, we'll be comparing Pipedrive versus Hubspot. In the world of customer relationship management software, or better yet, CRM softwares, Pipedrive and Hubspot are two popular options for businesses, whether you're a large business or a small startup. Both platforms offer a wide range of features designed to streamline sales and marketing processes. Hence, in this tutorial, we'll be comparing Pipedrive and Hubspot, examining their key features, pricing plans, and free offering to help you make an informed decision for your business. Pipedrive is known for its intuitive user interface and its focus on sales. It offers a number of features that are specifically designed to help sales team close deals, such as lead scoring, pipeline visualization, and email automation. Pipedrive is also a good choice for businesses that need to track their sales performance, as it offers a number of reports and analytics tools that can help businesses track their leads, deals, and revenue. Now let's take a look at Hubspot. Hubspot is more comprehensive. It's a more comprehensive CRM platform than Pipedrive in my research. It offers a wider range of features, including marketing, automation, customer service, and project management. HubSpot is a good choice for businesses that need a CRM platform that manages all aspects of their customer relationships. However, HubSpot pricing can be more expensive than Pipedrive. And talking about pricing, let's take a look at both of these platforms if we were to decide to go onto one of their paid plans. So the first one we'll be looking at is Pipedrive. And you can see that their paid plan starts off at $9.99. And if you were to go onto their $9.99 plan, you can see the key features that you would get is lead, deal, contact, calendar, and pipeline management, seamless data import, and over 400 integrations. Plus, you'll get 24/7 multi-language support. And you can see that their paid plans go up to $59. That's the highest paid plan, better yet. And you can see that it offers enhanced security preferences, complete access to all features, unlimited reports and customizations, and double the number of automations per user. Now let's take a look on HubSpot and how their payment plan sets up. You can see that you have a $30 monthly plan for their CRM starter package, as you can see right here, and that includes 1,000 marketing contacts, a sales hub starter including 2 paid users, a service hub starter, and also a CMS hub starter. And you'll also get an operations hub starter. And you can also see that they offer a starter package for $18 per month. And their starter package, you can see that some of their main features is landing pages, email marketing, live chat and forms, and also email and in-app chat support. Now that we have compared the paid packages, let's take a look at both of these platforms' free plans and what does it include. Well, first off with Pipedrive, their free plan includes unlimited contacts, unlimited deals, unlimited pipelines, and basic CRM features such as lead management, opportunity tracking, and deal management. It also includes email integration and mobile app. While HubSpot free plan includes the following features: unlimited contacts, basic CRM features such as lead management and opportunity tracking, and deal management. It also includes email integration and mobile app. And keep in mind, while comparing Pipedrive and HubSpot, both are excellent CRM platforms. The best platform for you will depend on your specific needs and budget. If you are looking for a CRM platform that is focused on sales and has an intuitive user interface, then Pipedrive is a good choice for you. But if you are looking for a CRM platform that can manage all aspects of your customer relationships, then HubSpot is a good choice. Now that we have compared both, I want to show you how each platform should look after you have signed up. So once you sign up to Pipedrive, this is how your dashboard will look right here. And again, you can sign up to Pipedrive for free for 14 days, as they offer a 14 days free trial. While with HubSpot, you'll be able to sign up onto their free plan unlimited, as they offer an unlimited free plan, so it is forever free. As you can see right here, you can see the free tools. It goes for $0. And with both of these platforms, you'll be able to sign up without using your credit card. So once on the Pipedrive dashboard, all you'll need to do is go up to the top, and you could tap on the plus right here where you see quick add. And then from there, you can create leads if you want, or you can create a deal, or you can add contacts or organizations, as you can see right here. For example, if I were to tap on lead right here, it will open up this page, and I would be able to add a new lead, as you can see here. So the first thing you'll be able to do is add the contact person's name, organization, title, and also the currency and labels, as you can see right there. So with Pipedrive, I think it is more beginner friendly compared to HubSpot, but it all depends on what you're looking for in your CRM software. Now let's take a look at HubSpot. And with HubSpot, again, all you'll need to do to create a free account is tap on Get Free CRM. Once you have tapped on Get Free CRM and you have completed signing up, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you'll be able to invite teammates, or you can add contacts. And you can also go over to the left-hand menu option, and you can tap on Sales Hub. Or if you would like to take a look at the Service Hub, you can tap on Service Hub, and you can see how the dashboard looks right here. And also, if you would like to tap on Operations Hub, you can see how it looks right here. And again, it's quite straightforward to use both of these platforms. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And by the way, tell me in the comment section which one of these platforms will you be using, or will you be exploring both of them on their free plan. Thank you for watching.